Polis telah menyediakan sistem penulisan khutbah online dan seluruh umat Islam khususnya di negeri Selangor. Untuk maklumat lanjut, layari.
What are your plans?
Okay, Abang Yasid. Well, I tengok dekat you punya Facebook, you have posted about some accident, roadside accidents on wild animals. Yeah, keep happening in Malaysia, especially that Mersing Endau, that road, right? Kalau tak silap. So, what do you want to tell about that?
Ni sekarang ni kita got to be much aware lah. Kena prihatin lah sikit tentang signboards yang they put up on the roads. Actually, signboards they put on purpose tau. Dia bukan saja nak letak satu signboard, oh ada binatang ni. Actually, kalau you travel on driving a car, bila you nampak signboard ni, you kena slow down lah. You tak boleh maintain your speed macam tu, slow down. Then for the safety of these animals, memang banyak dia orang cross because all the places dah ada jalan. So these animals dia memang tak ada tempat laluan lain, so they have to cross the road. Macam naik basikal, I naik basikal, I jumpa many, bukan sikit tau, banyak binatang, haiwan-haiwan yang exotic ni dilanggar dan matilah, kebanyakan mati. I've already made a collection of this in my Facebook of these photos that I see.
Yes.
As a proven statistic that I've been killed on the road. We call them as road kills actually. It should be a concern to everyone, especially drivers, because you're traveling in higher speed. Bicycle don't contribute to this kind of killings actually.
Anyway, yang macam monyet kan, Abang Yasid nampak tak dia duduk kata yang beruk semua dekat kawasan Mersing tu, dia duduk tepi jalan tu, sekadar untuk dapat makanan sebenarnya. Bukannya, that's a very sad part ya.
That's the mistake that we make lah. Kita rasa we feel happy ya, kita stop by, kita bring bread or bananas and we feed the monkeys. Kita rasa happy ya kan. Tapi actually what we are doing is wrong. Totally wrong tau. You are disturbing the system, the ecosystem of the monyet. No, the monyet boleh cari makan anywhere lah. Why you bother about them keep giving? Kalau you berhenti tengok, okay lah. Once you start feeding, dia dah totally macam dependent tau. And first generation, dia tengok mak dia memang tunggu tepi jalan like beggars kan.
Yes.
Tunggu, people come every day, berhenti bagi makan, and one generation will be lost. Dia akan jadi dependent and the man on the road, they get run over. Dia dah tak cari makan. When they have anak dia lagi, next generation, habislah.
Habis.
Semua suicide lah dekat atas jalan raya. It's a sad thing, isn't it? Yes. We human feel that we doing the right thing, but it's not. Actually, it's not. But tu ada signboard tulis, please don't feed the animals.
Kita ni kan, sebenarnya animals are more clever than us, more independent than us. Dia orang boleh cari makan dah. So kita simply interfere dalam ekosistem dia orang. Tengok dekat tepi jalan tu, yang paling sedih I pernah tengok dekat kawasan Mersing tu, yang kena langgar tu beruk yang anak-anak kecil. So sad to see that. Sebab anak kecil tu dia tak tahu yang dekat jalan raya danger tu, dia cross main aja. So memanglah kita kena tukar lah kita punya cara handle this issue kan. Kawasan ni kawasan hutan seram gila Tak ada kereta langsung. Tengok wildlife crossing.